Celebrity bad behavior from Lindsay to Paris. If a star gets in trouble, forget about it getting swept under the rug like the good old days. A proposed bill now in the California legislature could end all that. Pat Lalama is a celebrity journalist, and Jeffrey Steinberger is a criminal defense attorney. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me start by asking you, Pat, the mugshots are what we're talking about, and the fact that they do get out into the public. Stars, I guess, have a problem with that. But at the same time, Lindsay Lohan's on a top fashion magazine this month while she's in rehab. Can you have it all?
You make a great point here, and it just points out the yin and the yang of the whole thing. Look, checkbook journalism, as they're calling it, and that's what this legislation hopes to quash, has been around a long time. For Sheriff Baca to insinuate that it's all because of bloggers and the internet is baloney. People have been paying for this kind of inside information. The problem is, as you mentioned, now mugshots they beat the red carpet for press. People are rewarded for bad behavior, and the appetite for celebrity is so great that you got to blame society a little bit for this too. So I'm a little bit torn. On the one hand, I believe that people are entitled to their privacy. On the other hand, you can't write legislation just for celebrities. I think that, as much as I like Lee Baca, I think this shows that he does have a propensity to take care of celebrities.
You're talking about the sheriff, of course, that we all got to know with the Paris Hilton. You're going to court. Now you can take it by phone. Now you're going to court.
Exactly.
Jeffrey, do celebrities have a case as it is, or are mugshots public property if you're in the public eye?
Jamie, of course they have a case. Celebrities are like every other citizen. Just because you like them in Ocean's 11 doesn't give them less rights than everybody else. They have a right. They have a right to jury trial. They have a right to constitutional rights, and they don't have a right to have their mugshots disseminated across the nation and be proven guilty to the rest of the public before they're even tried. They have a right to be presumed innocent. Listen,
well, unless
you
you're
never see a
Paris
picture.
Hilton, who stopped for hair and makeup before
Crips.
she had hers done, right, Jeffrey?
Say that again?
Paris Hilton, it was pretty clear in her mugshot, stopped for hair and makeup before she had hers taken. So I guess they sort of know that if they get in trouble, they're going to be disseminated. I mean, let's be realistic.
No, but the horrendous part about this is that if the cops and the government officials keep doing this and they become bounty hunters for the tabloids, so they get the big money, you know, the criminal justice system suffers. You can't do that because what you end up having is the police are not doing protect and serves. They're cops for cash.
Pat, are they doing that?
Happening.
Do we know that cops are actually disseminating and making money?
Yes, absolutely. They're showing it all the time. That's the way they disseminate.
Let me let Pat weigh in, Jeffrey.
Pat,
how much are one of these pictures worth to a cop that works at the jailhouse?
Let's put it this way. They were claiming that a picture of Paris in jail would have gone for $500,000. And here's the problem. And I'm big pro law enforcement, so I don't want anyone to think I'm damning law enforcement. But it's almost, the temptation is so great to make this extra money on the side. And it isn't just mug shots or video or pictures. We're talking about court documents. And this is where I agree with your guest. We're talking about people have a right to a trial. Okay. And when this kind of information is getting leaked, it's unfair.
I hear the music. We heard both sides today. I say that we should pay our law enforcement more, maybe, so they don't have to do this. Celebrities, don't drive drunk. Good to see both of you.
Gotta
go. See you next time.